Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today we are announcing a course structure and full stack development course structure only on 800 rupees for the India, and also for the other countries you can pay $15 to this course. And it's a full-time membership program. It's a full-time membership program, you can say. So I'm going to discuss about the course structure also in this video. But before going to do this, just I'm going to take a path of your full stack development. In this course, I will cover the following things related to the technologies. Like in this 800 rupees, you will get .NET Core full course with the 2 projects, and also have a project on the Dapper, also have a project on Entity Framework Core, REST API course, and also I will give you the full videos plus source code and the resource material. So I will provide you on your mail. You will download your course material via the mail. I mean to say that you can just sign up the form. That is the link is description below. You can check in the description box, and you know that that is the fabulous course for your course journey. So here we have a REST API course, Angular, MS Test, NUnit, and HTML, jQuery, CSS, SQL Server, and the React basis. So only 800 rupees you will pay, and you will get a full stack development on these technologies courses. And each each courses have a projects. So just I'm going to the complete roadmap of the courses. First of all, you can say C#. Learn basics of C#, new in .NET 7 and .NET 8. Learn .NET CLI. SQL fundamentals like design database and SQL syntax, stored procedures, constraints, trigger, views. ASP.NET Core basics, MVC, REST, app settings and configurations, filters and attributes, authentication and authorization, Razor pages, Razor components, solid architectures, a single responsibility principle, open close principle, list call substitution principle, interface aggregation principle, dependency inversion principle, ORM, Entity Framework Core and Dapper, dependency injection, DI containers and DI lifetimes, databases like relational, search engines, NoSQL, caching, memory cache, distributed cache, and application level, log frameworks like Serialogs, Nlogs, API clients and communication, REST API, REST, gRPC, and GraphQL, real-time communication, SignalR, WebSockets, object mapping like AutoMapper, Mapster, and manual mapping, and background task scheduler like Hangfire and native background services, testing, unit testing, integration testing, and UI testing, microservices based project like a message broker, message bus, API gateway, and containerizations, and CI/CD pipelines like continuous integration and delivery, GitHub Actions and CI, Azure pipeline. All these courses are included in one package that is only $15. And design patterns, creational, structural, and behavioral, client side like Razor, Blazor, Angular, React, and .NET MAUI, and libraries like Mediator and Fluent validations and Benchmark.NET. So study never ending. So I will provide you a better video tutorials. So the videos will find on your mail. Also the source code, the complete source code, and as well you will find the resource material that I'm using. And this is the curriculums of these technologies. Like first of all, I will cover ASP.NET Core content, and you can see here we have a course content, ASP.NET course content, relationships, and I will cover all these like validations, client-side validation session, reusable components, themes, page utility, generic repository, unit of work, identity, data seeding, real-time projects, minimum 2 projects, I will cover it, and filters, middlewares, and all. Now the next technology is ASP.NET Web API. All these are covered only $15. ASP.NET Web API course, what is the WCF, SOA, and REST, create ASP.NET Web API, test API, default parameters, status code, repository pattern, asynchronous code, CRUD operation on one-to-many relationship, CRUD operation on many-to-many relationships, content negotiation, media type formatter, and all. These is the course curriculum. And the next thing is I will cover, that is the Angular, like introduction about Angular, install Node.js, install Angular CLI, create new projects, and all. These are the Angular projects. And the next one is to cover C# basics. Who want to learn C# from beginner? So these are the C# courses. And the next one is the DSA based courses. And after that, we will cover SignalR. So that is the SignalR topics. So that journey will never ending, and you will find latest videos every Sunday and on your mail, and you will find that you are the genius person in your life after purchasing this membership. So if you want to purchase this membership, just fill this form of your Google. That is your name, your email ID, your contact number, and transaction reference ID or order ID or PayPal ID. So if you are the Indian user, just pay 800 rupees on your paper from your Google APIs or any other UPIs platform like Phone Pay, Google Pay, and Paytm and all. And also you can pay if you are outside from in India, so you can just pay from the PayPal. So just purchase this membership and get the benefits. You will find the form in the video description box. Just check it out.